guys, it's Beauty14. I hope you guys are all doing very well today. Today's video is going to be a requested video from you guys. You guys wanted to see this really cute smoky green eyeshadow look that I created in one of my other videos. You guys fell in love with this look and I actually love it as well. So I wanted to make a video for you guys that you guys requested. So if you guys are interested in how I created this really cute, slaying, beautiful, sexy eyeshadow look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so the very first thing that I'm using for this makeup look is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer, and I really do love this face primer because it is extremely affordable, yet it really does a lot for my skin. It refines pores, fills fine lines, and brightens my complexion. Next, I'm taking my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Eyeshadow Primer to prime my lids, and right after that, I just like to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in the color 3.75, just because I'm going to be using a whole bunch of bright colors in this look, and I really want the color to pop. Just to catch any fallout from my eyeshadow, I'm just taking my e.l.f. setting powder in the color Sheer and placing that underneath my eyes. Right after that, I'm taking my Too Faced Totally Cute palette and blending the color Bunny Fufu into my crease area. No matter what look I'm going for, I always have to warm up my eyes with a light warm tone brown. To add a little bit of depth to my eyes, I'm blending the color Truffled from my Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette to the outer corners of my lids. On top of that, I'm taking the color Abyss, which is a dark matte black shade from my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, and blending that into my outer corners and below the light brown color in my crease area. From the same palette, I'm packing on the color Diva, which is a neutral earthy green shade, and placing it all over my lids. Personally, whenever I do my makeup, I like to add a pop of color onto the middle of my lids. Therefore, I'm taking Clover from my Totally Cute palette and tapping the pigment onto my lids with my finger. Of course, I'm adding my NYC liquid eyeliner in black and applying that to create a really cute, fierce wing. To highlight my brow bone, I'm taking the color Shooting Star, which is a really nice champagne color, and applying that to my brow bone area. This color is so gorgeous, and later on I will be putting it into my inner eye area just to like kind of brighten up my eyes. After I brush away my powder, I'm highlighting and concealing my under eye area with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Toffee, and adding a little bit of my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Deep. To contour, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit in the shade Chocolate, and contouring my cheekbones and temples of my forehead. Now I'm just setting my face with my L'Oreal True Match powder in the shade Soft Sable. This powder matches my skin tone perfectly and it doesn't make me look oily whatsoever. set my under eye concealer, I love going in with a lighter shade powder to enhance that highlighted area. I'm taking my Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in the shade Dulce de Leche, and I'm taking the contour shade and using it to highlight. The shade is too light for me to contour, so I just like to use it to highlight my under eyes instead. Surprisingly enough, I like to use the shade Truffled from my Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette to contour, and I just apply this in the same areas of my cheekbones and also on the temples of my forehead. Now I'm just taking the same shades that I used to create this really pretty eye look and applying that to my lower lash line. Like I promised, I'm taking the color Shooting Star and applying that to my inner corners. This is just going to brighten up my eyes and make me look more awake. For my blush, I'm just taking my BH Cosmetics 10 color blush palette and I'm just mixing these two really pretty pink shades. Of course, we cannot forget the highlight, so today I'm using my Rihanna Fenty Beauty highlight in the color Trophy Wife. I absolutely love this color. It is so stunning and it is so bright on my cheeks. To set my face, I actually use two different setting sprays because my T-zone is a little bit more oily, so I use my NYX Matte Finish setting spray, and on the sides of my face where my highlight is, I use my Milani Make It Last setting spray. Of course, for my mascara, I'm using my Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. So a lot of you guys actually fell in love with my lip shade because I actually went out of the box and used a brown shade for my lips. But if you guys are wondering how I did it, all I did, I just lined my lips with the color Truffled from my Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette. And then I just used my Love Ux lip gloss in the color Sheer Cocoa to create this really nice brownie lip color, and I absolutely love it. I did not have a lip liner in this color, so I just made it work, and I really like how it turned out. So this is my finished look. I absolutely am obsessed with how it turned out. It's like a really cute but smoky eye look, and I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will continue to make more makeup tutorial videos for you guys. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I woke up in Chris Brown's